Siang, Maria, mai a celebrate Patronus, questa Excellency, di Maria, Uliawami, ele peguei a oportunidade para ver a praia asiática pela oferecimento e conversarmos de economia, business, investment, saúde, e ver e na praia e dizer que está lá na Copa para ir de contato com o Fatim, asiático que
Thank you, Your Excellency, Prime Minister. I'm here in Tuesday on working visit and invitation of Minister of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation. And I'm grateful to Excellency Prime Minister for the opportunity to take this call on this afternoon with my colleagues, Secretary. I congratulate Excellency Prime Minister for his leadership. Timor-Leste has been able to become a core member of ASEAN and therefore completing our enlargement of ASEAN membership started last year. But this year is a very special moment because SEC just attended the 48th ASEAN Summit where SEC made a very important contribution to the discussions of the leaders. And this is the first time in ASEAN that we amended the ASEAN Charter to allow the state to come in. This is very historic. But of course, we discussed also the desired interest of the state to become the chair of ASEAN in 2029 after becoming a full member of ASEAN, because politically, right after the Philippines will be Singapore next year, 2027, and then Thailand in 2028, and the next T will be 2029. This is alphabetical order that we have, but we have confidence in Timor-Leste under the leadership of our Prime Minister, and Timor-Leste has made significant progress and success in becoming part of the ASEAN family, and all ASEAN member states have been expressing full support for Timor-Leste. And my working visit here is to strengthen the relation between the Secretary and Timor-Leste, which we're very much proud of Timor-Leste. And we believe that Timor-Leste will become a part of the ASEAN single market production base, which of course right now we are working on how to become a single market production base. Because Timor-Leste is not just 1.5, 1.6 million market size, but Timor-Leste is being part of the almost several million market size. And this is very significant regard. And we look forward to an increasing more investment, more tourism, more trade, more connectivity, which of course Timor-Leste will be able to enjoy in the future, of course from now and moving forward. But I believe we are, of course, also I congratulate the Prime Minister on the 24th anniversary of the independence days of Timor-Leste. It's a great nation, we have great people here. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, and I wish you a great leadership. Continue leadership. Thank you.
Escolhi a rota Parabeniza Timor-Leste.
और से एक्सेलेंस और से काम बोला तो इंटरव्यू एक्सेलेंस एरिया में आप आंगे दिया किसे एक्सेलेंस और से काम बोला तो इंटरव्यू एक्सेलेंस एरिया में आप आंगे दिया किसे